I'm sorry, my cat is right here behind my backdrop. She is very active. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell things I find at thrift stores, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Nordstrom Rack for a profit on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. This is how I supplement my income, and if you'd like to learn how to do that as well, in my channel, I like to share what I buy and what I sell and how much I sell it for, how much money I make. This is mostly what I share in my channel. If you're interested in learning about brands to sell, styles to pick up, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a like if you like videos like that, so I can make more content like this. Today I'm going to show you a haul video. I'm sorry, my cat is right here behind my backdrop. She is very active. So today I'm going to show you a haul video from a thrift store outside of Boston. This thrift store is, they have flat prices except for a few things that they price up, such as brands like Lululemon, Athleta. Some things they price things up, but I do sometimes pay up for things that I know for sure will sell fast and for a good amount. This haul is a very small haul, so this is going to be a very short video, and some of those things I bought for myself, so I hope you don't mind that I'm sharing like a personal haul as well. Over $100 you get $10 off. So right at the entrance of the store they have this kind of more selective brands that they price up, and sometimes it's reasonable. Like I bought this Merrell shoes for $14.99. I usually can sell these for about $50 to $60 very quickly. These are in excellent condition. They are men's. Then I bought another pair of Merrell shoes. These were $9.99. They are a smaller size, but in very decent shape as well. What I like about this store is that I don't find many flawed items there. They do a good job at, I think this thrift store is privately owned, so they are very careful with the selection that they put on the floor. I bought another pair of Merrells. These were not marked up, so they were only $4.99. All the shoes that are not marked up are $4.99. And as you can see, I love selling Merrell. My cat is annoying me. Another pair that I bought for $4.99 were these fringe suede boots by Sam Edelman. I feel like fringe boots do very well for me, so for $4.99 and in very decent shape, I decided to pick them up. These are all for reselling. The next pair of shoes I paid up for. I love selling this brand. It's called Fly London, and they are this mustard yellow color, and these were $14.99, but I can sell these for $40 to $50. I have sold Fly London shoes for $65, some sandals as well, so maybe I can even sell them for higher than that, than $40 or $50. I'm sorry, the cat is distracting me, and it's probably distracting you as well. I bought this based on style. Dresses were $8.99, I think, but I like that it has vertical stripes, and it's either a midi dress or a maxi dress. I have to measure it. It's a Splendid size extra small. Splendid doesn't usually do very well for me. It's not a brand that people are looking for, but I like the style as well. And Splendid is an expensive brand, and coupled with the style, I think the dress will do well. Then I got this Athleta, is a tankini top. This was not marked up. It was only $3.99. That's why I picked it up, and I thought the lady at the cashier was gonna mark it up when she saw it was Athleta, but she did not. So I am glad I was able to buy them for $3.99. And I bought this Free People top just because these tops from Free People that have the cuffs are very popular, and I paid $5.99 for that. So when you pay up for things, you end up being a little bit more selective. So since I'm paying $5.99, I am only buying things that I think are gonna sell for a higher amount. The next one is this Diane von Furstenberg. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's hard to say that. But it was brand new with tags. It was not marked up. It was only $5.99, and it's a one shoulder top, kind of a sheer sleeve. This designer is very expensive. This one does not have, oh, it does have a sale price of $348. I find that Diane von Furstenberg sits for me a lot, and it doesn't sell for that much. So I wouldn't pay up for this top, even though it's brand new with tags. But I think I can get at least $35 for it. Then I bought this based on style as well, and because of the material, it's 100% silk. It's a size 12, and it's just kind of a blouse jacket because it has this shoulder pads. I'm sure it's a vintage style, and I love the polka dot texture and the green roses. I think this is a very nice blouse. Maybe I'll model this to give this some life. This, I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits me well, because it's a size large and I normally wear size medium. So if it's oversized, I will resell. I bought this for $5.99, and it's an escada open front cardigan. This is wool, and I believe the trim is silk, but it doesn't say in the material tag, but it definitely feels like silk. I bought this for myself as well. It's just a Vince silk, black silk blouse. It's a size 4, but it looks oversized to me. So I'll try it on. If it's too small, I'm going to resell it. Then I think this is a score, hopefully, right? Sometimes you get so excited about a piece, and then when you go research comps, you see that it doesn't go for as much as you thought it would. But it's brand new with tags. It's a brand that I have never found in the wild. It's the brand C New York. But I've heard other resellers talk about it. It was not marked up, so I think I paid $5.99 for it. And it's a one-piece swimsuit. We're going into summer, so I love this style. It's very interesting. It has a plunge neckline, and it's brand new with tags. And this is a very expensive brand as well. I don't know how the resale value goes because I have never sold it. Then these two things, or maybe three, I think only two left, are for myself. They are just Lululemon sports bra. I paid $10 for each one of them. You know, if I was gonna buy them pre-owned, I couldn't buy them for less than $25-30 shipped. So I decided to buy them there, since I have never found them before, and I like their sports bra very much. And they're my size. They're size 8. So and I bought this hot pink. If they don't work out for me, I can always resell them and still make a little bit of profit. I wouldn't buy them at $10 to resell, but for myself and maybe down the road resell, I think it was worth it. That is it for my little haul, and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Diane von Furstenberg. It's a brand that I have never found in the wild. If you did, please don't forget to Lululemon sports bra.